How to skip ads on YouTube TV. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll go out to show the steps on how you can skip ads on YouTube TV. Well, to skip ads on YouTube TV, what exactly can you do, right? Now, if you're on your phone, you can use various options like using Brave browser or any other browser that can block ads, and you can watch YouTube on your browser and you can watch it ad-free. However, on TV, you'll get the YouTube application by default and there is no any way to block it out. But however, there is an option. What you can do is you will need YouTube Premium subscription. As you know, with YouTube TV or YouTube Premium members don't receive ads on YouTube videos. You'll see ads on live TV and recorded content in your library. You may also see ads on demand TV programs. However, you won't be able to get ads on the YouTube itself or while you are streaming. However, non-YouTube TV Premium members continue to get ads on YouTube videos. So I'll recommend you to purchase YouTube Premium. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.